Hi, Chef Claire here, and today we're going to make udon noodles, great for Japanese cuisine. So we're going to use the Emeril Pasta and Beyond machine to actually make those udons, because in the drawer we have an udon disc. So we're going to attach the udon disc, secure it, tighten it slightly, and here we go. We're going to make one batch of the udon noodles. First, we're going to remove the lid. We're going to take our dry cup measure and we're going to fill it up and level it off with flour. And this is all-purpose flour. Then we're going to add a half a teaspoon of salt for flavor. We're going to secure the lid. And we're going to take our liquid measuring cup and fill it to the first cup, which is one batch. And that's just water. We're going to make one batch, so we're going to hit the start button and then the batch 1. When it starts to move, we're going to add the liquid, which is water. We're going to let it go slow and steady. And now we just let it mix. So now the machine has stopped. It's getting ready to extrude. So udon noodles are great for soup and broths, which is amazing for the winter. Look how beautiful these udon noodles are. Just beautiful, nice and thick. It's actually a meal. You could put them in a bag, put them in the fridge, you could put them in the freezer, bring them out when you can have them whenever you want them. So very convenient to be able to make your own udon noodles and control, again, the flour and the ingredients that go into any of your pastas. You get to control that. And with udon, you could keep them really long for the soup, or you could cut them to a shorter, whatever you want to do. Look. Beautiful noodles. I'm going to try our trick where if it starts to clump, throw just a little flour in, about a tablespoon or so, and it will break up and go through the feeder much smoother. Nice fresh udon noodles with the Emeril Pasta and Beyond. Great for Japanese udon noodle soups.
For more information, tips, tricks, and delicious recipes, please watch our videos at emerilpastabeyondinfo.com.